away. That's it. We're doing two $1,000 buys, two $1,500 buys, two $2,000 bonus buys, and two $2,500 super bonus buys. It'll be my first double 1000x in a while, in a long time. 50s double fit. Oh, please keep going. Oh, what? 2-in-1 bonus. Is today gonna be one of those days where we just lock in crazy hits after crazy hits? Two 1000x bombs in a row on the same bonus. That is brutal. All right, let's move the webcam and let's run it back with $1,500. $1,500 super bonus buys coming in hot. We already hit one 1000x today. We'll absolutely take it for 10 to 11,000, please. Three 1000x's in 5 minutes. Yes. Yo, holy shit. 22,000, 22,000, 22,000. Oh my God. 23,000. Woo! 23,000. 24,000 big ones. Do you understand how much we just got? We're witnessing one of the most ridiculous, craziest, volatile, most insane chances to literally make 100 G's. I'm actually like scared because I can't help but honestly feel like we could have a $100,000 balance today. The last $3,000 super bonus, potentially. If we hit 1000x here, we're gonna keep her going, but this is not looking like a good bonus at all. That's a good setup. We're one off of literally like everything to tumble in. God dang it. 3 spins left, 333 back. Gotta get lucky at the end here. Oh my, three, holy shit, 14,000. Third 1000x today. We hit 3 in one day. I don't know why it keeps happening, but it keeps happening. Do it again. Holy, no way. No way. Oh my God. $16,000. I'm going up. This could be a $100,000 day. This could be a $100,000 day.